большой будет Нарендра. То есть короткий А плюс И образует Э.
And the other forms, once again, Nar plus Ish, Naresh, Maha plus Indra, Mahendra, Maha plus Ish, Mahesh. And the next example you see, this plus this, or A, U, gives you O.
Следующий пример это соединение А и У. А плюс У дают нам О.
And examples are A plus U, Gyan plus Upadesh, then becomes O, Gyano Padesh, Gyano Padesh, O, Gyano, O. Okay? Gyan, Gyan plus Upadesh, Gyano Padesh.
То есть, например, если слово заканчивается на короткий А, а другое начинается на короткий У, то при их слиянии образуется на стыке звук О. Например, Гьяна, Упадеш, а вместе Гьяно, Упадеш.
A plus U, Maha Utsav, Mahotsav, big festival. Maha Utsav, big festival. So that becomes Mahotsav.
То же самое с длинным А. Долгий А плюс У образует О. Например, Маха – это большой, Утсава – это праздник, получается Махоутсав – это большой праздник.
What is the meaning of Urmi?
Урми?
I don't remember. But the next example is Jal plus Urmi. It becomes Jalormi. Everything becomes O. Maha plus Urmi, Mahormi. And now, there is, did we learn about Re?
Yeah, we have.
We have. So, these are the extra, vowels. Actually, they can be called vowels, but they are conjugation of vowels and consonants. So, Rishi, when we say Rishi, Rishi, yeah. This Re are the two other sounds which are kept to the vowel. And here it says A plus or A plus Re becomes Ar. Dev Rishi, Devarshi. Maha plus Rishi, Maharshi. Maharshi. This Ra is half, you remember this. So that half Ra becomes the Re.
Теперь санги гласной Ри. Помните, есть такая гласная Ри? Когда она стоит на стыке с А короткой либо длинной, то есть сначала А, потом Ри, то она преобразуется в звук Ар. Причем обратите внимание, что он усеченный, то есть не Ара, а Ар. Например, Дева, Риши будет Деварши, и Маха, Риши будет Махарши. И помните, Ра у нас не ходит вверх, хвостиком таким, Ра.
Once again, I repeat, look at the logic. Try and imbibe the logic. The rest will come with the words that you know. And whenever you find some examples, for example, here also, but there is a complicated sandhi, I will come to that later. Vriddhi sandhi, once again, vowels are involved, and you will see what it is called Vriddhi sandhi, which is basically what was till now? We were combining this plus this, or this plus this, or this plus this. Now we are combining this plus this, or A and A. If anything is combined, it will. Vriddhi means it increases, and it increases in intensity, in stress. So any of this A or A, when it combines with A, it will become I. If it combines with O, it will become O. Simple. So these are the examples.
То есть, обратите внимание, мы с вами идем как бы по уровням, то есть происходит градация. Сначала мы соединяли просто подобные звуки А и У. Потом мы соединяли между собой, получилось как бы второй уровень. Образовали звуки Э и О. А теперь мы уже соединяем, например, А с этими звуками Э и О, и получается следующий уровень, следующая степень в речи. Это уже будут дифтонги Ай и Ау.
Let me clean the board and write it again, so that it becomes more clear and not confusing. Now you see, right now we just have O, unfortunately. I wrote here Ekaik Amapyanarthaya. Ekaik, you see the word is coming here. Ek. A plus A is I. Ekaik.
Да, сегодня в шлоке мы писали с вами слово, которое дано в примере. Когда мы сочетаем короткую А плюс Э, образуется звук АИ. И вот я написала сегодня эка, да, то есть эка плюс эка вместе будет ай, экаика.
Ekaika. A plus I is again I, which is Mat-aikya, Mataikya. A plus A is I, Sada plus A, Sadaiva. A plus I is I, Maha-aishwarya, Mahaishwarya. A plus O is Au, Van-oshadhi, Vanaushadhi. A plus O again is Au, Maha-aushadhi, Mahaushadhi. Similarly, the other examples, A plus O, Param-aushad, Paramaushad. A plus O, Maha-aushad, Mahaushad.
То есть вы должны просто понять логику. У нас как бы третий уровень звуков, соединения звуков, это когда мы уже добавляем А плюс Э либо О, и образуются дифтонги Ай, Ау.
Okay. Now, I want you to see the difference. When we were adding Dil Sandhi and Gur Sandhi. Gur Sandhi, you will notice that we have written all the time A first and then E. A first and then E. And then, if that is the case, then it becomes A. But this is the definition of Yada Shanti, where if E comes first and then it gets added to A, then it is completely a different story.
Обратите внимание, что в образовании гурны сандhi мы с вами сначала, у нас первый звук был А, короткий либо длинный, а второй звук уже был И, и они уже образовывали Э. Но если будет наоборот, и первый звук будет И, а потом А, то, как вы видите, образуется согласный, образуется звук Я.
I remember we had done this exercise in some of the earlier chapters, and we will do it again. Yadi, if I have to write, we'll write Yahalan plus A plus Dahalan plus E. And if we have to add Api, then it is A plus Pahalan plus E. Okay? Now, see, we have got E plus A. E plus a, yadi plus api. It gives us ya plus a. And if you combine this together now, it will become ya, the, ya, sanyut, yadya, api. Ya plus a. Yadyapi. So you see, this is E plus a changes to Yahalant plus a, and the Yahalant gets added to the, because it is Dahalant plus Yahalant plus a. Dahalant plus Yahalant plus a.
То есть обратите внимание, если слово заканчивается на короткий «и», а другое начинается на короткий «а», то при сочетании образуется «е», причем короткий «е» плюс «а».
So that is how it has been written as Yadyapi.
What does it mean?
If.
If.
Это означает
Yadyapi.
«если».
No, even though. Yadyapi, I am small, I can speak big. Even though I am small, I can speak loudly. The same example, if you add this, if you break this, while doing Yana Sandhi and all other later on, especially in Swara Sandhi, it is easier to try and break it in this way. Iti. So E plus a, Iti. E plus the halan. Iti plus adi. A plus the. Now you have E plus A, and that changes to Ya plus A. And then it becomes E, ta halan, Ya halan, and A, itya. And then Di, ityadi. E plus ta halan, Ya halan, A, itya, Di, which remains the same, ityadi. Is that clear? I hope it is not confusing.
Понятно это? Или есть вопросы? Видите, на первых порах легче раскладывать слово по буквам, чтобы не упустить тот момент, что тот согласный, который стоит перед «и», который становится «я», он загалантом, то есть он усеченный, он соединяется с «я» как лигатура.
And all of them will have the same E plus a once again changes to ya plus a, nadyarpan. Nadi, nadi, arpan, nadyarpan. Devi, agaman, devyagaman. Can you pronounce with me? Devyagaman. Devi plus agaman, devyagaman. Devi plus agaman, devyagaman. Nadi, arpan, nadyarpan. And this breakup is here. Now, E plus E is you, E plus O is yo. So, that is one. And similarly, when U and A, E plus A, you saw this, becomes ya. U plus A becomes va. U plus A or A becomes va.
Точно так же, как «и» плюс «а» становится «я», «у» плюс «а» становится звуком «ва».
Anu, aya. Anu, aya. Anvaya. Anu plus aya, anvaya. Once again, if you see carefully, the moment you are confused in or you find it difficult, you try and break it in this exercise which we have done earlier. Anu is a plus na halan plus u, and then aya. A plus ya halan plus a. U plus a becomes va halan plus va. Sorry. And then it becomes a, na halant, va halant, a. Anvaya. Anvaya. And then ya. Anvaya. Anvaya. Swagat. Su plus agat. Swagat. Welcome. Su means good, auspicious, and agat is your coming. So your coming is auspicious, you are welcome.
То есть су означает как доброе, что-то хорошее. Агата это как ваш приход, то есть хорошего прихода, добро пожаловать.
Swagat. U plus E is Madhu, Ib, Madhya, Anu, Eshan, Anveshan. You can see here. Anu, Eshan, Anveshan. Similarly, with Deep, U plus E is, this is a bit complicated, but you have to remember it, as simple as that. Bhu plus E is Bhuva plus E. So Bhuva E. Bhu plus E. Bhuva E. Bhuvi. Ri plus A is Ra A. Ra A. Pitri Agya. Pitragya. This you should once again try and see. Let me do this for you. Pitra. Pitra is Pahalan plus E plus Ta Halan plus Rikar. Pitra plus A plus Gyan plus A. Now, you see Ri plus A becomes Ra halant plus A. So, Pi ta halant, Ra halant, A. Tra A. So it becomes Tra. Tra. Pitragya. Pitragya. That is how it has come. And the last section is called Ayadi Sandhi, where A attaches with other things, or A, I, or O, they attach with A or A, and you have these complications which are coming. These have to be practiced by seeing and by remembering. A plus A becomes Aya plus A. Ne an nayan. Ne an nayan. Now nayan is basically eyes. I myself do not know what ne means, what an means, but they are made with two parts. Gayak, gai plus ak, gayak. Pavan, o plus an, pavan. Go plus ya, gavya. All this are specific, having a specific meaning. And these are part of, I would say, higher level Sanskrit. Because these are not normal words, and they will be learned only after the normal grammar is mastered. Then we come to know of these. And these, maybe you will understand this. Because these specific letters mean something, interpretation of Vedas becomes very difficult. Because in the Vedas, if I don't have exactly any name which I can tell you from one dialect, somewhere if you have the word go, just the word go can mean something.
Корова, молоко, something.
Just the way, would you say something?
No, I'm just thinking that I read about the schemes how to explain why ne plus an is navan. Can I write?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ne plus an.
It's like
Naya.
basic explanations. Can I?
Turn it around. Or you could remove this. Now we have seen this. For example, khag. There is a word called khag. Khag.
Bird.
Yes, khag is bird. And kha, just the word kha means air or space. And ga means somebody who travels. So khag means thing which travels in space. That is how Sanskrit is, both logical and extremely difficult to master.
Look, like in the previous step, we learned that this sound e is a plus e. So when we have na plus an, we can write it like na, a plus e plus a plus na. So when e is between a, it becomes ya. It's like previous stage.
Yeah.
So that's why here is a and here is a, and it becomes na ya.
Oh, no. This is of course fine. There is no problem. What I did not know is what is the meaning of ne itself and what is the meaning of an itself, so that both of them kept together means eyes. That is the part, just as the word khag, khag, khag. The word kha plus ga, kha means space, akash, and ga means who travels. So similarly, there must be a meaning of ne and there is a meaning with an. When they get together, they make nayan, which means something from which you can see. Otherwise, what Alexander said, it's actually
just explanation scheme how
yeah.
how we go
Ne
to this kind
plus
of rectification.
yeah. So okay. So basically a plus a. Wherever you have a plus a, this needs to be changed to I plus a.
Yeah, but I just explained why.
Yeah, why this is I. So that is how, okay. A plus this becomes ya, so it becomes I, and that is how you get that combination. But my question was, each of these letters means something in Sanskrit, and we will find it by and by. Because these, as I said, is higher level.
Mania dictionary.
Sorry?
Mania dictionary.
You need dictionary, absolutely. And not common dictionary.
Not common.
Not common dictionary. You need higher level dictionary.
Высочайший уровень владения языком, когда дается значение каждого звука, и почему именно соединение этих звуков образует такое слово. То есть объяснение значения каждого звука.
Okay, so these are another ones. O plus R becomes R, Au plus E becomes no plus ik is navik. No plus ik is navik. Karo avahai, karavavahai. Sahna bhavatu, sahna bhunaktu, sahaviryam karvavahai. Okay. Vyanjan Sandhi we will do next night. Okay?
В следующем уроке мы с вами разберем сандхи согласных.
Is that okay?